We are out here at Playa Del Rey Beach, Dockweiler Beach. Got a chopper heading over there. Not sure if that's media. Definitely doesn't look like police. So probably media. I can't see what it is. I'll have to look when I edit, if it's still in the camera. So September 8th. I thought there was an auto show out here today. Yeah, I'm not impressed. I thought there was an auto show today, but it was yesterday, September 7th, down at the Elks Lodge. So I can't get video of that, but I'm heading out here. You know, when I ride my bike, I'm always talking about my friend is out here in one of these houses. So I thought I would come out here. He said they're going to have some jazz event or something. I don't even hear music, so I don't know if he was messing with me or what. I was walking down the hill to come out here and record, and there was a whole bunch of, I think, seagulls? Yeah, it were probably seagulls. Probably hundreds of them flying really low down by the water. And I wanted to get that on video, and I had this guy walking down the hill wearing thongs. Not a thong, he was wearing thongs. Flip-flops, thongs, and he didn't get out of the way in time, so. Got two guys on bikes right now, and right over there, I saw them on the street, and I asked them where they were riding to, and they went, "What?" And I said, "Where are you guys riding to?" And they went, "Excuse me?" And I said, "Where are you guys riding your bikes to?" They didn't even want to talk. They pointed and they went, "Oh, Santa Monica, it's a good ride. I just did it yesterday." So, not even able to communicate. The guy in the red helmet over there. Got this guy walking towards me with this humongous belly. That's the beach. It's Dockweiler Beach. That's Marina Del Rey over there. That's the breakwater right down at the end. See the sails behind it. And I think that's going to be it. I try to keep the camera off him. I don't think he wanted the belly in there. I see the flag over there. I see a little tent. So maybe the guy's got his jazz event. I'm going to shut off the camera. Be back in a while. Remember, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. Donate to my channel if you want to. Ask for my PayPal info. Click on the links in my description. So if you want to get the GoPro or the camera that I'm recording, just click on it. It's affiliate link. It helps me out. And I'll be back. There we are. I just listened to the jazz event for about 5 minutes. I'm not really a jazz lover. I don't like jazz music. It's kind of annoying. It goes up and down. Kind of annoys my mind. So, the person who's putting that on, I think I saw him out there, but he walked back inside, so I'll let him know on the internet that I saw him. And just leave like I arrived without anybody knowing. They had a bass, piano, trumpet, trombone, saxophone, keyboard. Most of the players looked like they were in their mid-70s to 80s. They all played pretty good. They all played really good. So they've been playing their whole lives, I'm assuming. That is the beach out there. It's the beach that I always ride by when I'm riding my bike. I do a ride by. Watch for sand, slippery. Aren't they kidding? Look at this. This stuff's really bad on a bike. So that is the beach today, September 8th. I couldn't find any parking. And luckily I parked a few blocks away. I wasn't going to pay for parking for this. And I was not going to deal with a hassle, so I'm glad I didn't. Got my parking spot, and those are very nice over there. Got my parking spot, and lots of boats out today. It's a wonderful day. I would be boating today. I would be biking today if I hadn't gone yesterday. Today, it's supposed to be like 3 or 4 degrees cooler, but it is still really hot right now. That's another one. Remember in my last few videos I've been talking about these guys riding that are extremely overweight with the belly, riding in this heat and stroking out or heat exposure. So we're shooting this, I think, in 4K. It's Playa Del Rey up on the hill over there, Waterview Street, bouncing around. And there's a guy on the internet. Look how tall this guy is. Must be into sports. He's huge. Probably a basketball player, I think. Looks like a pro or college player. There's a guy online on YouTube that walks around with, I don't know if he's got a GoPro. I think he's got a GoPro, and he just walks around his city, his town, his country, and does walkthroughs and records where he's going. I think it's out in New York, possibly in New York. So, he's got a zillion views. He's got a massive following. I don't think I'll get a following like that, but I like the chest strap of the GoPro. I might do that. As I said, I bought a second GoPro, so now I've got 2 GoPros and like 6, 7, 8, 6, 9 batteries. So I'm good to go for a long walk. And that's only shooting at 720, 60 frames. And you need 60 frames when you were bouncing around like this. There's an airplane, southwest. It's a little different view over the airport, over the ocean than it is when I take it by the airport. I gotta walk up this hill now, get over to the light, get over to my car, get home to the dog. Beautiful day. You know, I gotta say, I am walking. Obviously, there's no breeze today. Yesterday there was a breeze when I did my walk. I did my ride. I'm messing up on everything. I did my ride yesterday. Had a nice breeze. It is later in the day. It's definitely later in the day. I was already home by this time yesterday. But I think I'm happy that I did it with 4 degrees hotter yesterday than today. And definitely not worth my time coming down here. I wanted to say hi to him, kind of, but I didn't need to. So, we're done. Oh, am I sweating? There's another airplane. Check that one out. I can't even see. It's so sunny right now. I don't know what airline it is. Hopefully it's on the camera. Hopefully it's on the video. I'm just pointing towards the sky. That's going to be the video, people. Thanks for watching. Let's go on up this hill right now. We get some something coming down the hill, so I'm going to act like I'm not really recording these humongous mountains that are up here. That is the beach. It's not so obvious when you do it that way. There we go.
They appreciated how I handled it.
I appreciated how you handled it too. Oh yes. Sweat is just pouring off my face. Oh my goodness. Is this guy on a motorcycle? Oh, he's motorcycle helmet. Definitely didn't look like a bike helmet. Kawasaki. There we go. There it is. That's where I was. Down there, Playa Del Rey at the beach. Dockweiler's a little bit more to the south. Heading up the hill now and going back to the car. Very rich neighborhood over here. I don't even know what the property goes for over here. Probably at least 2 to 4 million, I would think. I mean, look at these houses. These things are huge. Not only are you paying for the massive lot and the size of the property, but you're also paying for being a couple blocks from the ocean. Very quiet neighborhood. If I could afford it, I would definitely be out here, but I can't.